Hello all, today in this video I am going to show a demo for the median filter and how to add salt and pepper noise to an image. So if you are following our channel, means previously we have used this code and we have done previous demos for reading an image, knowing the size of the image, visualizing the image and visualizing the histogram of the image and visualizing the histogram equalization of the image, then Gaussian filter image, and now we are going to see the median filter image. For that I'm just calling a new function of for median filter, that is img. Since it's a median filter, we can give us mf, and then the default, I'm just using the default Matlab median filter function, which is medfilg2, and we have to call the original image, which is img. Then we can just visualize this image. For that we have to call the figure function, and moreover I want to see both the original image and the median filter image in the single image. For that I'm just using, apart from I'm just using show pair. This will show two images. First I'm calling the original image, which is img, and then the median filter image, which is imgmf. Here I'm just giving an semicolon. Why I'm giving the semicolon, you can just check in the previous videos. So comma, and then just I'm calling the montage also previously we have just done, and then we can just run only this code. This spelling was wrong. Okay, so this figure 10 is the original. This is the original image, and this you can see the difference. There is some brightness difference between the original image and the median filtered image. And then this images you would have seen in the previous videos, which is original image, and some difference between, you can now see some difference between the original image and also the median filter image. Some difference is there between the original image and also the, I'm just running only the once again, since I have deleted the median filtered image. You can just see the difference between the median filter image and also the Gaussian filter image. So while seeing in median filter image, the image is enhanced while compared to Gaussian filter. So as a comparison of this only cameraman image, this Gaussian filter is not showing better results in cameraman when compared to median filter. You can just see the difference between, this is the Gaussian filter image and this is the median filter image. To just see a title, you can just make an title function like original image plus median filter image. So you can just check there is some difference. So in cameraman, median filter is showing better results when compared to Gaussian